I'm only happy when it rains. I'm only happy when it's complicated. And though I know you can appreciate it, I'm only happy when it rains. This is the first wintry mix of the season. I have a feeling we're gonna be in for a fun winter. This will be my third winter. We are in New Mexico right now. Isn't that exciting? I guess when I talk to people who've never been here, they always tell me about how hot it is and blah blah blah. But last time I was here for, more than just driving through, it was like windy and snowing, and then the day was like 70 degrees, and then like the morning was windy and snowy, and midday was like 70 degrees, and then it got even hotter. So, like, y'all have some very strange weather. I thought about moving to New Mexico for a while, but honestly, I can't afford it here. I'll probably end up getting a house somewhere in the deep south, or perhaps the Midwest. The rent is just too damn high. But oh great, a new message has arrived. All of my dreams are coming true. And it says, "141 unread messages." Our system's having a glitch right now, and it's resending fuel routes over and over and over and over and over again. So when you're driving down the road, it'll be like, "Dispatch has been deleted. Dispatch has been updated." Okay. And you keep going down the road because you already know what this shit is. "Dispatch has been deleted. dispatch has been updated over and over and over again. When I was a kid, I always wanted to work because there were like two things that you can do. The men all work and provide for the families, and the women stay at home as their very loyal sex slaves / baby makers, because thou shalt be fruitful and multiply. So, me being the fucking brilliant kid I am, I told my mother I wanted to, quote, be a man. Because I thought that being a man was like a career option that didn't force you to look at the same stupid walls over and over and over again. I knew a lot of people growing up who were obsessed with interior design. They repainted, they moved the furniture, they got new accent pieces. But everything was always the same. You're always staring at the same stupid wall. You never get to leave. Except for the rare family vacation, which isn't vacation for you, it's extra work. You gotta pack up all the kids. You're usually the one who has to plan the vacation. You have to watch all the kids while they're there. And some stupid hotel they don't want to be in, or some non-child-proof like little place you rented for the weekend around pools, and they don't know how to swim, and they throw sand in each other's eyes, and they leave their favorite stuffed animals, and you have to drive an hour back, or else you're gonna hear about it for the rest of their goddamn lives. So I basically told my mom every career that there was under the sun that I wanted to be. And she would always try to get me to play with dolls and, don't you want to be a mother? No. No, I don't. And they were all very, like, ridiculous, childish ideas about careers, like, I want to be an astronaut. I want to be a scientist. I used to be good at math, really, really good, like, unusually good for someone my age. I wanted to be a mathematician. And at one point, embarrassingly enough, I wanted to be like a female preacher, because I thought that, you know, like, what would make my mom love me? And she was obsessed with this crazy lady called Joyce Moore. And I was like, well, if I could be the next Joyce Moore, I don't have to be a baby machine, and my mom will still love me. To which she said, you know, you shall not suffer a woman to teach, or whatever. Being the little smartass that I was like, but Joyce Moore is a woman preacher. How come she gets to do it? And that's okay, but if I want to do anything besides make babies, that's bad. There was no answer. I'm sure that there is, but I never really quite understood it. And then when I got older, I made opportunities for myself, and she would always sabotage them. Try to convince me and other people that I was gonna marry like much older guys who I had no interest in and who had zero interest in me because I was less than 100 pounds. I had no tits, had no butt, had terrible, terrible, terrible social skills. It's not exactly what older men are looking for in their godly trophy wives. It's like one of the reasons that I hate religious people so much is that they ruined my life. I'm not saying I see a Christian and I'm like, ah, God, I hate you or anything like that, but I genuinely hate religion, and I do hate the radicals. Whether that's wrong or not, I don't really care. I don't think it's wrong to hate people who want to force you to spend your life in a tiny box being someone else's baby machine. Oh, this got a little dark, and the rain stopped again. Oh well.